Advance America Payday Loan Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe a payday lending has changed in 2025. Advance America offers short-term loans for urgent cash needs, but is it the right choice for you? The surprising truth is speed. Most people get this wrong by assuming payday loans are slow or complicated. Advance America provides quick approvals, often same-day funding, making it a lifeline for unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. Another advantage is accessibility. You won't believe what happens next when you see that you don't need perfect credit to apply. The application process is straightforward and funds can be accessed online or in store, providing flexibility for borrowers. However, there are cons. Interest rates and fees are extremely high compared to traditional loans, and rollover loans can lead to a cycle of debt. Borrowers must plan carefully to repay on time to avoid additional charges and potential negative credit impact. In conclusion, Advance America Payday Loans in 2025 are useful for emergency cash needs when no other options are available. While speed and accessibility are strong points, the high costs make it essential to use responsibly and explore alternatives for larger or longer-term financial needs.